ChatGPT is one of the most trending topic in 2023. It got more than 100 million of users in few months after it was launched. What is ChatGPT and why is it so powerful? ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI and released in November 2022. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to never miss out our latest videos. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool which was created by natural language processing algorithm, which is also known as NLP algorithm. It is capable of understanding wide range of questions and statements and can generate human-like response. ChatGPT is language model that has been trained on a huge data from the internet. The training data includes text from books, articles, websites, social media, and many other sources, which allows the model to learn about language and context from a different set of sources. GPT stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer, and this architecture is used to create ChatGPT, which is a type of neural network that can process text data and generate new response in text based on what it has learned from the training data. ChatGPT works by breaking down user inputs into smaller pieces called tokens, which are then fed into the model as an input. The model uses a process to understand the context of the input and generate a response, which is known as attention mechanism. Attention mechanisms allows a model to focus on certain aspects of an input instead of focusing on the whole. Similar to how we as humans focus on certain components of a conversation before we respond. For example, if our friend asked us about the beach, we might focus on the word beach or which beach instead of other words in the sentence. With the help of attention mechanisms, allow ChatGPT does the similar thing. By focusing on certain words in the input, ChatGPT can better understand what the user is asking, and based upon that ChatGPT can generate an appropriate response. That's why the response of ChatGPT looks like more natural sounding. ChatGPT can also remember the previous conversations and can use it to generate more natural responses, which makes the conversation feel more human-like. As a large language model, ChatGPT has a wide range of use cases. Let's discuss few potential use cases. Language translation. Large language models can be fine-tuned to perform language translation tasks, allowing them to translate text from one language to another with very high accuracy. For example, we can type this message to ChatGPT: "Please translate this sentence in Spanish. Hello, how are you?" We can see it translated pretty accurate. Text paraphrasing. ChatGPT can be used for rewording of text documents, which may make it easier for readers to understand the main idea. Let's try a sentence with ChatGPT to paraphrase. Can you paraphrase this sentence? Fever and nasal congestion are symptoms of influenza. ChatGPT has successfully changed the words of the sentence by keeping the meaning same. Creative writing. ChatGPT can be used to assist with creative writing, such as generating ideas or helping to structure a story, composing poetry, and many more. I am asking this question to ChatGPT. Let's see how it responds. Can you write a sentence using the word universe? Yes, it generated a sentence for me, with the word universe. Question answering. These models can be fine-tuned for answering any questions based on a given input text, which looks very relevant to the question. Let's ask a question to ChatGPT. Please suggest me few seafood names. Pretty interesting. Sentiment analysis. These models can be used to analyze the sentiment of a given text, determining whether it is positive, negative, or neutral, and based upon the input text ChatGPT can generate human-like responses. Let's type a sentence and see if ChatGPT can understand our mood. I am not happy today, it is raining for the whole day. It generated a nice response. Code generation and debugging. ChatGPT can generate code based on user description. For example, a programmer may input a programming question with a feature they want to implement, and ChatGPT will generate the code that implements that feature. Let's try this. Can you write a Python program to add two numbers? You can see it wrote the program pretty quick. Education. ChatGPT can be used for providing educational materials and resources to students. For example, a student may use ChatGPT to receive study tips or help with a difficult concept. Let me ask a question. Give me 5 tips on my exam preparation. Nice tips. Thanks for watching. Please do watch my next video on ChatGPT 4 and its new features. Link is provided in the description box.